Good day everyone, I'm Ana Loisa Lopez from Section 1, BEd 2. Today I will share which historical figure I dream of meeting and why. How I would meet. If I could meet any person from history, I would choose Lapu-Lapu, the brave Dato of Mactan, our first national hero. Why I choose him? I choose Lapu-Lapu because he stood for freedom, courage, and love for our land. Long before we had a flag or a country, he refused to bow to foreign rulers, even though his enemies were stronger and had better weapons. He was not afraid. He protected his people, his home, and his rights. He teaches us that true strength comes from standing up for what is right, no matter how big the challenge is. Is that is why I admire him so much. Three questions I would ask him if I could speak with him. These are the three things I would ask. First, when the Spanish ships arrived, how did you find the courage to say no and fight for our freedom? I want to learn how to be brave when I face problems. Second, what is the most important lesson you taught your people? So I can live by same values today. Three. Third, what would you tell Filipinos now about staying united and loving our country? His word would surely inspire to us to stay stronger together. In conclusion, Lapu-Lapu's brave still guide us today. He shows me that no one should take away our freedom, our dignity, or our identity. Even as a student, I can be brave like him by standing for what is true, respecting our culture, and loving our country. He reminds us that we are strong enough to protect what matters most. He will always be a symbol of courage for every Filipino. Thank you.